Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines from COSTWAY. Today, we will take a closer look at the COSTWAY portable washing machine with an 18 pounds capacity and the COSTWAY twin tub with a larger 26 pounds capacity. We'll explore their features, pricing, and which model might be the best fit for your laundry needs. Let's dive in. The COSTWAY portable washing machine is priced at $159, making it an affordable choice for those on a budget. In contrast, the COSTWAY twin tub 26 pounds model is priced at $189. While the latter offers more capacity, the price difference may influence your decision based on your laundry needs. When it comes to capacity, the COSTWAY portable washing machine has a total capacity of 18 pounds, with 11 pounds for washing and 7 pounds for spinning. On the other hand, the COSTWAY twin tub model boasts a larger capacity of 26 pounds, with 18 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. This makes the latter a better option for larger laundry loads. In terms of features, the COSTWAY portable washing machine offers basic timer control and simple knob operation. However, it lacks a built-in drain pump, which may require manual draining. Conversely, the COSTWAY twin tub model includes a built-in drain pump, making it more convenient for users who want to avoid manual draining. In conclusion, both the COSTWAY portable washing machine and the COSTWAY twin tub model have their unique advantages. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a compact design, the 18 pounds model is a great choice. However, if you need more capacity and the convenience of a built-in drain pump, the 26 pounds model is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.